Hello, and welcome back to AI Ed, from Bits to Breakthroughs. I'm your host, Matteo 1.0, one of the AI-generated avatars here at newbits.ai. Thank you for joining us again in the AI Toolbox, Empowering the Learner series, where we guide you through the practical side of artificial intelligence, providing the tools and resources you need to make AI work for you. In today's episode, we're going to break down three key components of the AI landscape: AI models, tools, and platforms. Each plays a different role in the development and application of AI, and understanding the distinctions between them will help you choose the right solution for your projects. Let's dive in. Let's start with AI models. An AI model is essentially a mathematical framework or algorithm that has been trained on data to perform a specific task. Models are the core technology behind any AI system. They take input data, process it, and deliver an output based on what they've learned. There are many different types of AI models, ranging from machine learning models, like decision trees and support vector machines, to more complex models like neural networks and deep learning models. Decision trees are a type of machine learning model that makes decisions by splitting data into branches, like a flowchart, based on different criteria. Each branch represents a possible outcome or decision until the final decision is reached. For example, decision trees are commonly used in loan approval systems, where various factors like credit score, income, and loan amount are evaluated to reach a final decision. Support vector machines, SVMs, are another type of machine learning model commonly used for classification tasks. They work by finding a boundary that best separates different classes of data. SVMs are used in areas like text classification, such as categorizing emails as spam or not spam. Neural networks are modeled after the structure of the human brain and consist of layers of interconnected nodes, or neurons. These networks excel at handling complex patterns in data, such as recognizing images or understanding speech. An example of a neural network is the Google Photos app, which uses neural networks to categorize and tag photos based on image content. Deep learning models are a more advanced type of neural network with multiple layers, hence the term deep. They are used for highly complex tasks such as language translation, self-driving cars, and even creating realistic images from scratch. For instance, OpenAI's GPT-4, which generates human-like text, is a powerful deep learning model that's widely used in natural language processing. The key takeaway is that AI models are built to solve specific problems using the data they've been trained on. Now let's move on to AI tools. While AI models are the brains of an AI system, AI tools are the software applications that allow users to interact with and utilize those models. For instance, an AI tool might be a text analysis tool that uses a language model to summarize or classify documents, a data visualization tool that helps users analyze data outputs from a machine learning model, a speech-to-text converter that leverages an AI model to transcribe spoken language into text. AI tools are built to make AI models accessible and usable, even for people who don't have a deep understanding of the underlying technology. Think of them as user-friendly interfaces that apply the power of AI to specific tasks. Finally, we have AI platforms. An AI platform is a comprehensive environment that includes not only models and tools, but also the infrastructure needed to build, train, deploy, and manage AI applications. Platforms provide everything from development environments to cloud-based services for training and scaling AI models. They can handle data management, allowing users to feed large datasets into AI models; model training, providing the computational power needed to train AI models efficiently; model deployment, helping users take their models from development to production so they can be integrated into apps, websites, or other systems. Examples of AI platforms include Google Cloud AI, AWS AI, which stands for Amazon Web Services, a cloud platform providing a wide range of services for building and managing AI solutions, and Microsoft Azure AI. These platforms allow businesses and developers to build AI-powered applications at scale. Within the AI ecosystem, there are also specialized development platforms that serve as hubs for AI collaboration and model sharing. Two notable examples are GitHub and Hugging Face. GitHub functions as a comprehensive development platform where AI practitioners can Access and contribute to AI model repositories. Collaborate on AI projects. Work with AI models in development environments. Deploy AI solutions. Hugging Face serves as a specialized AI hub that hosts thousands of pre-trained AI models, provides datasets for model training, offers tools for implementing AI solutions, facilitates community collaboration and knowledge sharing. While these platforms are valuable resources for developers, finding the right AI solution can be overwhelming due to the vast number of options available. This is where our AI solutions marketplace at newbits.ai comes in. We've carefully curated over 180 AI models, tools, and platforms, organizing them into clear categories and providing detailed information about each solution. Our marketplace helps you make informed decisions about which solutions to explore further, whether they're hosted on GitHub, Hugging Face, or other platforms. So, how do these components, models, tools, platforms, and development platforms work together, and when should you use each? AI models are for those who want to focus on solving specific problems like text generation, image classification, or predictive analytics. If you're interested in building or training custom models, this is your starting point. AI tools are ideal for users who want to apply pre-built models to specific tasks without worrying about how the models work under the hood. If you're looking for software that performs a specific function, like data analysis or image processing, tools are the way to go. AI platforms are best suited for developers or organizations that want to build, deploy, and manage large-scale AI projects. Platforms provide the infrastructure and support needed to handle complex AI workflows from start to finish. AI development platforms like GitHub and Hugging Face serve as specialized hubs for accessing open source models and collaborating with the AI community. These platforms are particularly valuable when you're ready to implement or contribute to AI solutions. At newbits.ai, we showcase all these components in our AI solutions marketplace, helping you find exactly what you need based on your project's requirements. Our marketplace provides detailed descriptions and use cases for each solution, clear categorization and filtering options, user reviews and ratings, direct links to AI models, tools, and platforms. This makes it easier to find the right solution first, then access the development resources you need through specialized platforms like GitHub and Hugging Face. In our next episode, we'll dive into how to navigate the AI solutions marketplace on newbits.ai, exploring the categories and search options available to help you find the right AI solution for your needs. Thank you for joining me for this episode of the AI Toolbox, Empowering the Learner series. And as always, stay curious, keep exploring, and remember, it's all about the bits, especially the new bits.